Hey, I'd like to share some of my favorite features of these folding mechanics mats from CTR. These things are great. Like I said, they fold right up like this. Got this nice grip handle. These are made out of a heavy-duty EVA foam. They are both water and chemical resistant. So if you're working on your car, have them outdoors, you don't really have to worry about it. I'd like to show you a variety of different uses. Even though they're a mechanics mat, we are not going to stop there. First, let's take an up close look. It has this nice pattern on it. Little bit of like a slip resistance material. Like the inside red, the outside, I like the coloring on it. They fold right out. The dimensions here, when folded up like this, is about 7 inches tall. This is about 8 inches. And the width is 16.5 inches. When unfolded, the thickness is 1.2 inches. You can utilize both sides. When totally unfolded, it is 47 inches long. They're great for exercise. You can sit on them. Great for kneeling on. You can use your hand for support while doing your exercises. Good support on your back while you're doing your exercises, whether you're working your abs or practicing yoga. You could use this as a creeper for when working on your car. It easily allows you to get down here and work on what you need to. You can even use it as a dual kneeling pad when you're working at the back of your truck. It takes up very little room in the back of your vehicle. It's nice, easy to store. Works really well when doing gardening, getting those weeds out. Nice convenient height for doing that. So if you are looking for a nice, versatile, convenient folding mat, whether you're a mechanic, working outdoors in the garden, using it for fitness and exercise, or just any other little projects around the house, check out these from CTR. I really like them.